When you see people practicing their golf swing just like Tiger Woods, or when you see people playing air guitar or piano at a concert, you might think to yourself, well, that's kind of a funny look. No, they're actually getting better at that which they do. So they're actually practicing subconsciously. So a lot of what we focus on is to enable that, to enhance that. So there's a simple theory called dual channel. Dual channel is just as simple as it sounds. Two channels, the first being audio, the second being visual. When we engage in dual channel cognitive theory, that's really just neuroscience speak for AV, right? Audio visual production. Dual channel cognitive theory basically covers about 95% of the student and the learner's population. So as we see, 95% of students are going to be positively receptive to dual channel cognitive theory. My question to educators and administrators is, why aren't we tapping into this on a daily basis?